With the endless data available in Devo, there may be content you think is worth sharing with others. Let's say you have an active board you believe other users cannot go without. You can now suggest this content to appear in the Exchange Content Catalogue, where, if approved, it will be available to install. In the Content Proposal window, select the type of content you would like us to publish. To stay as loyal as possible to the suggested content, we recommend you describe the features. You can let us know the data tables required and choose how to replicate the active board. Provide screenshots and visuals to help us achieve the intended content and layout. The more detail, the better.